everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be repotting. So what you can see here is we dug up some irises from behind. There's some bulbs here that are growing in pots, more irises over here, and a clematis. So we're going to be moving a few things from the front garden and getting it ready for summer. So let's get to it. We'll start with the clematis. Add to the one I have here already. Break up the soil. I want it further from the wall just to give it some room from all these other roots I have going on here. Soil is quite loose. Just gonna transplant it in there. Make a mound. Make a nice big mound for it. Oh, now I'll come back and I'll water it in. So do some irises now. And this one, I'm gonna need a big shovel. Some parts of the garden are very wet because we just had a huge rainstorm. Irises. Put them in. Compact it in. Perfect. That's one iris. I'm going to put one over back here. I want to do this because we're going to be adding a lot of soil in the next week to all the gardens, just to give them some fresh soil, give all the plants something to bite into, something nice, a lot of natural fertilizer. This one's quite wet because the backyard is very wet right now. Now these aren't very deep soil plants. For some reason the bulbs like to move all the way up. Put those in there and mound them. So that's two of our irises. I'm going to do one more. And this one is going to go back here. And I'm being careful not to go into spots where I have established plants. I know my garden quite well, so soil's not very wet by the house, but because of the overhang. So I'm gonna go get because it's so wet. Okay. Go right in there. In the hole. Get back some of this saturated dirt. Mound it in. Push it down nice and tough. And there's our irises. So we're gonna start with our other ones. Now these ones are gonna be a lot easier because they're growing all in this one new area that I did a couple weeks ago. So these are bulbs that I started in my pots. These ones don't go back here because they're glads. These ones are a little mad because I brought them outside, but they'll take. I have a lot of these bulbs in the garden already. I'm just gonna break them apart, get my little spade. And dig down about 4 inches. And as you can see, little bulb. Down. Already established bulb. Now all the greenery will take itself back. It's just a little upset I took it out of the climatized room. Just break it apart nice and easy. You see all the bulbs inside. Just loosening up the soil. Bulbs I'm planting are butterfly attractors. Butterflies love these ones. Breaking up the soil. I'm hitting roots from my big tree out front, which is fine. Grab a bunch. So I'm going to transplant my mini rose into where I took my hydrangea bush out. I lost one this winter. So I'm going to put him in quite deep just so we don't lose him. And he gets a lot of dirt. Branch in the way. Yeah, just the stuff I can do.
Yeah, beautiful day, eh?
It's beautiful. Okay. Now, just got 2 more plants I can plant right now. Otherwise, everything else is just too early. These are the 2 I'm going to do. One is going to go right here. And this one, where should we put this one? Where do you think, Rob?
Wherever your little heart desires.
We'll go right at the front. Okay, I'm going to get my little spade. Put this one right here. Soil so nice and rich. Look at that root ball. Nice and hardy. It's like a Gerber daisy. Pink. And this one has a really good root ball. Oh, I'm going to put him right here. And remember, keep all your pots, wash them out. We're starting for next year. This is way cheaper. Start your plants by bulb or seeds, so you're not paying the big guys all your money. This is like cents compared to quite a few dollars. Very economical way. Put him in there. Pick up the soil. And we're going to mound him. There we go. So we have officially started planting. A little bit early, but these are plants that we can do because I have a lot that are coming up already that I planted years before. So come on back next week and you'll be able to see what we're up to next. Hitting that back garden, that's what we'll be doing. Just a teaser. Have a great day. Bye.